Good evening, everybody. We're out harvesting some corn, doing a little nighttime harvesting. Gonna try and catch a little footage for you guys. My son's gonna be holding the phone since I can't operate the combine and run the phone, so hope we could get what we can. Corn's doing pretty good. It's dried down 14%. There's a couple rough patches in the field where it's really rocky and it didn't get enough irrigation, so they're kind of short, not yielding very good, but for the most part everything else is doing pretty good. Not going to be a very long video. My battery's almost out of power. Pretty cold this evening, and I was out fixing some lights on this old girl, so cold ran the battery out. So it's going to be a short one, but we'll get as much footage as we can for you. Scroll around a little bit so they can see. See if we can get one of the corn going in the bin.
Now you can actually see it with light.
Yeah. Alright guys, we're gonna have to cut it off. It's a short video. I gotta save what battery I have in the phone in case we got an emergency or something. So we'll get some more footage. I'll charge my battery and we'll give you some good footage, and hopefully Mason can jump outside the combine and get some outside shots. So I've been coming home every night after work, and we've been coming out here and hitting the field, getting the trucks full, and then my brother empties them during the day while I'm at work, and then in the evening I come back and start combining. So we'll get some more footage put up. So thanks for stopping by.